Picture a world where every cancer treatment is personalized to each individual. That world may be here sooner than you think. In this video, we'll look into how this is possible and what we can expect for cancer patients today and in the future. For years, the primary approach for treating cancer involved systemic chemotherapy. This approach aimed at killing rapidly dividing cells and slowing their growth. Through my years treating patients with these drugs, I've seen firsthand what it is like. For many cancers, this is effective, but it is brutal. They are often difficult to tolerate and come with a lot of side effects. The toxic chemicals used to kill the cancer cells damages healthy ones as well. However, a groundbreaking shift occurred in the early 2000s when scientists gained a deeper understanding of the molecular pathways that play a major role in the development of cancer. The quest for personalized cancer therapy rooted in a patient's genetic details had begun. The development of next-generation sequencing revolutionized the process of reading an entire individual's genetic code, making whole genome sequencing more accessible and cost-effective. What's even more remarkable is that exploring your own DNA, we can uncover mutations that might put you at a higher risk for certain cancers. This allows for screening and prevention protocols before a cancer diagnosis. In the fight against cancer, early diagnosis and treatment is crucial, with it often resulting in a much better prognosis for patients. This shift also led to the development of targeted therapies designed to hone in on specific molecular pathways within cancer cells. The goal? To selectively target cancer cells while sparing healthy ones. This is sometimes referred to as precision or personalized medicine. These targeted therapies focus on specific features of cancer cells, such as an excess of certain proteins, unique or mutated proteins, or gene changes in the DNA that differ from normal cells. By identifying and targeting these distinct characteristics, targeted therapies aim to treat cancer more precisely. In the search for this more precise medicine, there has been major progress with the identification of biomarker mutations such as EGFR, ALK, and ROS1 that play a role in the development of cancer. The full names are shown on screen, though to be honest, most doctors just use the letters anyway. Biomarker testing changed the way we treat these cancers, using specialized treatments that match these genetic changes. Shockingly, even though we have these new ways of treating, not every patient is getting tested to check for the genetic changes in their tumors. It is crucial for you to know this and have the discussion with your oncology team at diagnosis. Immunotherapy has been another major development used in treating both liquid and solid tumors. Instead of using toxic chemicals like with chemotherapy, immunotherapy harnesses the power of your own immune system to fight cancer, making it a more targeted therapy that is usually better tolerated. There are different types of immunotherapy, including immune checkpoint inhibitors, monoclonal antibodies, mRNA vaccines, and more recently, CAR T-cell therapies. These therapies either boost your existing anti-tumor response or activate the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. However, there are challenges in making immunotherapy work for everyone. Factors like differences within the tumor, weak production of certain immune cells, and a lack of specific targets on cancer cells can limit its success. Researchers are working to understand these challenges, exploring new ways to activate the immune system, and identifying molecules that can improve the effectiveness of these immunotherapies. The goal is to develop strategies that help immune cells reach the tumor, multiply, and fight cancer more efficiently while overcoming the obstacles that cancer cells use to evade the immune system. While these therapies have been an incredible advancement to cancer care as we know it, they are not perfect. These therapies still do come with side effects that are important for patients to understand. There are a wide range of targeted therapies, and their side effects vary depending on the type of drug and its target. Some targeted therapies can result in side effects such as skin problems, while others can cause blood pressure changes and bleeding or clotting problems. Immunotherapies have the risk of side effects related to the immune system that can be long-lasting. With any cancer treatment, it is important to communicate regularly with your medical team and share any side effects that may occur during treatment. Depending on severity, this could mean starting supportive treatment such as steroids, a decrease in dosage, or stopping the treatment altogether. Addressing these issues early is critical, especially when starting a new therapy. As we have more innovation and development, the goal is to make these targeted therapies better and more effective with less side effects. The progress has been massive, but there is still a long way to go. Immunotherapy and targeted therapies have forever changed the way we treat cancer, but they are not the only answer. Current studies are looking at using these therapies in combination with treatments such as chemotherapy and surgery with great results. The future holds great promise as more targets for cancer treatment are identified. With current ongoing studies, we are seeing more and more drugs become available for these different mutations. Our goal of fully personalized cancer care is getting closer each and every single day. In today's world, we can't seem to go a day without hearing about the AI revolution. Medicine is no exception, with work being done to incorporate artificial intelligence for various applications in oncology. At this time, its approved use is expanding in various scenarios such as cancer diagnostics and imaging. As the evidence develops and science progresses farther, it is important that testing is done to determine patient risk and also targets for cancer therapy. And hopefully, one day, we will see a world without cancer. If you found this information helpful, like and subscribe to stay up to date for more content like this.